Start a daily journal, dedicate time each day to reflect on your thoughts and experiences. Learn a new language, use language learning apps or resources to pick up a new language. Meditate regularly, practice mindfulness and meditation for improved mental well-being. Create a budget, take control of your finances by setting up a budget and tracking your expenses. Cook a new recipe each week, expand your culinary skills by trying out new recipes in the kitchen. Start a fitness routine, develop a personalized workout plan that suits your fitness goals. Read more books, set a goal for the number of books you want to read in the coming year. Reduce screen time, limit your time on electronic devices to improve productivity and overall well-being. Volunteer in your community, contribute to a cause you care about by giving your time and skills. Learn a musical instrument, dedicate time to learn to play an instrument of your choice. Practice gratitude, keep a gratitude journal and write down things you are thankful for each day. Start a DIY project, whether it's crafting, woodworking, or home improvement, get creative and start a project. Take up gardening, start a small garden, either indoors or outdoors, and nurture your green thumb. Improve time management, organize your schedule better to make the most of your time. Cut down on single-use plastics, make a conscious effort to reduce your environmental footprint. Start a blog, share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise through a personal blog. Learn a new skill, identify a skill you've always wanted to learn and take steps to master it. Connect with family and friends, strengthen your relationships by reaching out and spending quality time with loved ones. Practice mindful eating, pay attention to what and how you eat, fostering a healthier relationship with food. Declutter your space, streamline your living or working area by getting rid of unnecessary items. Take up a new hobby, whether it's painting, photography, or knitting, explore a new hobby. Improve posture, work on maintaining good posture for better physical health. Limit sugar intake, reduce your consumption of sugary foods and beverages for a healthier lifestyle. Start a savings fund, set aside money regularly for a specific savings goal. Learn to code, develop basic coding skills with online resources and courses. Practice random acts of kindness, spread positivity by doing something kind for others without expecting anything in return. Take a social media detox, limit your time on social media platforms for mental well-being. Improve sleep habits, establish a consistent sleep routine to ensure better quality sleep. Learn yoga, explore the physical and mental benefits of yoga through online classes or local studios. Take regular nature walks, spend more time outdoors by incorporating nature walks into your routine.
Hey, welcome to Ms.Coffee's Brewed Content channel. We are on our way to 1K. Please like, share, and subscribe for more brewed content. Thank you for watching.